Oh. What? Eh? What are they doing with Burke? Oh, ow. Are you all right, Burke?
Oh, globbits. Where am I?
Burke?
What's them things? Greedy horrors are eating all the food. Lucky I got a plan.
What are we all doing in the cupboard, Burke?
We're gonna ambush those things.
Oh.
I've left a trail of food, and them greedy woxits will follow it, hoping for a feast at the end.
Don't like this idea.
Don't interrupt. But instead of food, they find us. Shh! Here they come. Right, get 'em!
There's one behind you, Burke.
Take that, and one of these, and this.
Put me down.
Put him down.
Oh.
Thank you. Well, we soon sorted them out, didn't we, Boney?
Yes.
And I've got a good idea what I'm gonna do with them now. Right, you lot, I want this place all shipshape. Hello again. Come on, keep working. You made the mess, you clear it up. I wants it spotless. And you over there. That's it. No slacking. That'll teach these big mouths to mess with me, the mighty Burke.